Hey, are you looking for a home in Fountain Inn? This may be the home for you. When you walk into the home, you'll find a bedroom, a 3/4 bath downstairs, a dining room just off the kitchen. Kitchen's got a large island and an open floor plan right into the family room with a gas fireplace. As we head upstairs, you will find a bonus room, a primary bedroom that is to die for. It's got a garden tub, a separate shower, in the back of the house, you'll find a screened-in porch, just a great place to hang out. Also in the backyard, you will find a separate storage building with power.